I don't survive ground zero. What can you do to me?
Wait. That's why they say who to fear pass. Now who don't survive ground zero. Very dark man. Hello. Anybody where don't go grand, there's nothing to. That's why you cannot fight with everybody. Some of una married women, una go to quarrel with una husband. Your husband already told say go be a share what he die. Leave her. Leave her. That's what he wants to do. Leave him. The way they have living legend, you have living prostitute. Hello. I'm telling you. And Abuja people will not even they try. Because there are so many things. See now when I come show. When I come show with all the problem in Port Harcourt. And beggars. And land. They don't give you 3 months to build. If you don't build on that land, 1 hour see money. How do you give people 3 months to build? Uncompleted building, where we say that people take the chop for Abuja. Agent don't carry you go uncompleted building for Abuja. In 3 weeks, we are done. You call the shock, say they never pull louvers, they never say, I said 3 weeks, just pay. Wait till they take the hustle. Now they say, wait. And people there, they say, I say somebody like, you say, he there. Ooh. Wicked there. Are the best, na governor be minister. Na the best governor minister. Who there? Olonwa, but who there? Why wait you go we can call you no get work? I go call small picking show where would they play that concourse. We can there, we can no day jobless, God forbid. Minister, we never finish to fight with land grabbers and beggars. We can't follow us sit down for show. They do skywise. We can way wise. Hello. We get SA there. SA in South Africa. Which one be SA? Now, Lord, big shout out to Sheyi Vodi. Clap for my chair there. That's my chairman there. Sheyi Vodi. All these Abuja big men. You know, so what made me even really like Abuja? Because to some extent, people can't think whether I don't start to stay for Abuja. Nothing there here, only promises. If they promise you for this Abuja. Skywise, you know, I tell you, say, I bet maybe you find 2 motor for me. Now, one man promised me, I don't call you. I said, give me 2 cars. Where are balance? Now, table be this. Hey, no wonder. Who wanna be? Where do you wanna? You wanna be friends? No money don't come up from here. The country hard. For una to even pack money condition, wanna clap for ourselves. No, don't clap. Clap. It's not easy. Skywise, I hear how much you give Papi. Now you confuse Papi. Now you don't know whether na fashion show you want to do. Papi hold cigar for back, they contemplate. Baba man smoker. I say no smoker, now your brand. Hello. Papi hold cigar. But when I see Papi swag, showbiz, you will do anything. See along our billionaire wife, they control people for back. She nearly stopped tailoring today. Hello. You know what it means to control model? Why you just coming? Voice don't go. But see, when you say your husband they make money, it's hard. That's why when your husband call, you see kiss for his shirt, leave him. Now enemies, hello? Enemies.
If you're a woman here, please celebrate yourself. It's not really easy to be a woman. I make my next life, I just say, is space not there for man. I'd rather be man snake or man goat. Or man fowl. It's not easy. You know why they see us women? You fat, no problem. You slim, no problem. Abuja women, we have 2 types of. As I say, I fat, that one laugh. You remember my past? That time when we say once I enter inside bank, the security dog they shout one at a time. Don't be smutty fat do me. But we give God all the glory. Abuja have 2 types of women. The independent women and the dependent ones. And I would love to talk about the independent women. Independent women, make una take it easy, relax. The pressure one they put on herself too much. When Bible creates man, he creates woman to help man. Got talk of you will be woman. Only you want to do everything. Only you go change plug. Only you go on generator. Then you go to use dildo. Allah man sleep with you. That's a good place to clap. Because at the end of the day, Allah they made a massage your lower waist or your neck. The women, 2 independent women collapsed for Apollo yesterday. I'm not saying it's bad to be independent. I'm not saying it's bad to have economic power. I'm not saying it's bad to be a strong woman. But sometimes just relax. They collapse for Apollo. And those are the ones that are ready to really get married. But these men just wants you to relax so they can provide for you. Sometimes just ask. And these independent women, the best way to date them or marry them, they don't need to ask you first. You just do it. Woman will get no need to ask. Woman will need something, you're supposed to know what she needs. Not every time you go, let her ask me now. No. You say what it? You say what it? That ghetto ayo. What do you drink? Just small coke, hot coke. Oh, dogo bitters. Ready this night, oh. Ada. Now you got a shot. Oh, me. So, in a couple of days is my birthday. My birthday is in 2 days. Yeah, my birthday is in 2 days, and I'm super excited. Now, wow, what did they happen for all this table? Now, even vote the table, you sit down, now they talk, you they make noise. Okay, buddy, I greet you. Well done, sir. Don't be smarty with the do your meeting point. Any smarty would not reach your office, so. Thank God so your money not finish. Yes, so your money not finish. If not by now, if I don't, you know the matter now. Don't be this wicked Abuja where everybody hide a tone like roundabout. But I want to ask a question: how far wicked? How are we feeling wicked in this FCT? Not be somebody how I the CEO. I think before Wike became FCT in Abuja, we supposed to go Port Harcourt, go do master class. They were with Wike for 8 years. Wike, the day when he just become FCT, he enter Abuja, my POP4. We dey use Emmet sleep. POP4. Now, if you want to use Google Map, come and ask now, go carry reach police station. GPROS now, no they work. We can go just use 2 roundabouts for 3 roundabouts for 1 road. Fly over everywhere. Nigeria never even released budget. You don't commission 13 flyover. Wike 001. Now they celebrate him, eh? That man, now self-engineer. That is speech immediately do that press conference when they make KFCT when they start. It will go down. If you build where you're not supposed to build it, what? Nothing no say wahala.com. So as I was saying, my birthday is in 2 days, and one of the things we don't really add me as a human being is raising a teenager. Raising this generation. If you have a teenager here, let me see your hand. Or you get picky where be this generation where they call Gen Z. Okay, you have a Gen Z, Abi? Oh, no be smart. If you can train a Gen Z, you can train Dragon. No be joke, this generation. My son see me, which they say, Mommy, you have anger issues. When we sumo your mama, they follow you talk, can you look at her in the face? parents need to apologize to us because we are better children. My son will say, Mommy, you need therapy. Wow. That time when we sumo, if they break our heart, they cry for inside, they'll still call you when you go wash plates. They'll still call you when you go on gen. But the worst one when they come up now, this one they call Gen Alpha. This Gen Z, they're good now. This Gen Alpha, they come with arm, teeth, fangs. These ones, we need people to help us. When they study human anatomy, maybe they go study this new generation where they come. I don't try my best as mama. I wanted to one of the hardest things. Slicky, I don't really blame you now. If you cannot respect me, you cannot respect what I'm carrying. You know they see what I carry. I'll be your eye wear bosses. This now waste where we say before they climb out, they'll use ladder. Slicky. You just call him, see Papi. Papi, you know yes, they say, may we not they beg for stage. You they beg money for stage.
Now stage be this. This will not be stage.
Shut up your mouth. When you climb stage, you know also money.
But Dan I did now. No, there's somebody that they beg for Dan. They say for stage.
You know they respect basket matter. They don't want us. Slicky, have fun now. You get my whole pay normally now. Yes, now tell and wish now. Skywise. Not be smart you do. You can help only man. Bash see list go come out to we go find your name for that. So some men you dey help. This Skywise, I don't know assist. That I want never make kind. Get one get that I go one. They don't want kind depth. One get cut me say get one man where they help. Make I go meet. I wanna go meet her. That be smart you do me. You need to do at least clean that memory. Now even 2 million me they dash me you. What did I do when you get that person 4 million? That person dance reach me. You don't see me the dance. Make her dance. You don't really see me finish. If I be your wife, person tell me dance for collect money, you go like her. Person like you, I shall go walk away for you pay more. Person like Skywise, he go, oh, the Ashawo go give blow job. So make her dance. You don't just say, after that time, when you just make her just give you something. Yeah, you. Skywise be like, who don't block me for WhatsApp, sef. He get one event when Skywise invite me because you give me one small money, you might follow up. I'm not going to attend the event because the way Skywise says, send the money back. I will not like my spec. Who you really they like? When I big, you not like me. I don't lose weight. What do you want? Hey? But shout out to Pelumi, shout out to Olorowa. These are people that even though say you want to do show. Because that time when I do my first show, I had to join Tinder to set table. Don't be joko. Comedy for woman, not easy for I joined Tinder. When you come book me, once I reach your hotel room, I'll give you ticket. Either you buy ticket or I call your wife. That's what they set table. But shout out to all these men, all this one they tell me say, where are you? Bring your ticket. I almost do hook up. So Skywise at all because at the end of the day, this one no go pay me and no. The way you say, hey, Jesus.
You don't collect.
You go pick and you go pick this money. Make I send you message. Briga. Any smarty, lifestyle king. Cigar where you owed it last year, you never light them.
You know when I go light this cigar? Now if I see sponsor, you give me 100 million, I go light them.
You they look down on all these men? How much is $100 million?
0.1 person you go give me here.
That wow.
Apart from Vodi and Skywise and BMU, point another person. Abalanze. I bet.
The man be this.
In a day.
Wait, Abalanze.
Abalanze in a day, boy. Don't worry.
I never really see him, but I don't hear about him. I'm doing my show. Where your wife?
Everybody here now Abalanze.
Oh, I celebrate you.
Now the man we put Abalanze for secondary school be this.
Oh, not be this. Sir, you will never suffer waist pain. I like a civil servant shoe. No, I know the man that they hear that name. My husband always that they hear that name.
Be like Abalanze.
Very successful man, successful ritual. Sorry, successful.
Abalanze, now only Abalanze a lot. Now they call that a lot. Where Abalanze transfer money, others go they pay.
Oh, phone go cut off.
The money na magnet.
I dey test you.
If Abalanze,
See the way you dey judge people money, where your own. When will you make it, MC Papi? When will you make it? Now, person money they say they bring a lot. When will your own bring other people? Don't they touch me?
This is what you do. Talk about this man's shoe. We need to do something.
No, civil service. No.
Hold on. I want to dedicate a song to you, sir, to honor you. She cannot talk about your shoe. I will not honor you. DJ, a song for daddy.
Solidarity forever.
Remember your days in NLC, sir.
Solidarity forever.
Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong. Daddy, you don't say you don't fight for a number.
Daddy, you know what will happen? You send me your account number, let me debit you.